Wow, get your multifunctional super commercial grinder here that can easily grind anything hard. This machine can grind your tiger nut, your coconut, bone meat, anything grindable like cereal, melon, corn. This machine can grind it to a few seconds. You can see the way it's grinding this now. Very fast, very easy, very soft. In few minutes, you can get anything hard at all done. You can see the way this machine crossed this bottle. Very precise. Now, we have up to 30 to 40% discount that you can get this ordering it right now. This is the first time this machine is getting to Nigeria. Across the whole state, we can easily ship this machine to you. Now, the good news, the machine can serve you in the next 10 to 15 years. This is a very strong machine that have never been before. Get this machine right now and you can enjoy any single thing at all you want to use it to grind. Thank you so much.